Guys, welcome to part 2 of this video, and as you guys know, I'm going to try to unbox this thing. There is a little piece here that needs to be opened. Here we go. Some tape was stopping it from being able to be opened. And I'm going to turn it around here with this so you guys can take a quick look at what's inside. And this looks really fun. Let's see. Please follow the instructions over here to get to the tutorial. Yes, we'll do that. And there's a bunch of sensors, cables. This is USB-C. Huh. They brought the new technology here, which is always good. Some servos. What else we got in the package? It actually comes with a USB camera, which is nice to see. Uh-oh. Bent stuff. Okay, I can probably bend these back into position, but
Likey.